Okay, this week we have runners on first and second, and we're going to have base hits to the outfield. So we'll check out how the cut plays should work. Here we have a base hit to left field. As you see, shortstop comes over after trying to make a play in the ball, and he'll cover third base. Third baseman is obviously our cut from left field to home plate. You can see how far in on the grass he is as the outfielder is charging forward to pick up that ball, so we want to let the outfielder use his arm, throw a line drives right through the head of the third baseman. If it bounces, depending on how far that outfielder is, throw that bounces, one hopper, large one hopper right to the catcher is generally easier for the catcher to get that tag down at the plate. So those are great throws anyways. Third baseman's in position to cut the ball off and help prevent this runner that is now in second, he was runner at first, from going to third base. Or if he does, if we don't have a play in the runner at home, we can cut it off and get him out, which also freezes the runner at first, so the double play is still in order, even if the run scores. Best case scenario is we get the run out at home, and if that doesn't end the inning, that we still have forces at every base. So that is a base hit to left field. Now, when I hit to center field, it'll be a little different, okay? First baseman cuts anything that's to center field and right field. He gets in front of the pitcher's mound. We always want to be in front of the pitcher's mound. So if that throw comes in, it doesn't hit the edge of the mound here, the back edge of the mound, and take a bad hop on us. So first baseman always needs to be between the pitching mound and the outfield. Make sure you can make that cut. Notice the second baseman here in this situation. I have to do a better job of coaching this because most of the time our second baseman is just standing and watching. But the shortstop, the ball's not coming in the second right now. Shortstop can't make a play in the ball, so he needs to hightail it back to second base and cover that base in case we pick it off or cut the throw, the first baseman, and we get that man trapped in no man's land that's on second. But you'll notice the second baseman is making his way over to first base. Since first base is unoccupied, that prevents that runner, the batter, from getting that huge turn around in the base. Okay, and if he does, we can back pick behind him if necessary. So second baseman, your job is to cover first base on any base hit after it gets to the outfield, to center field or to right field. Because as we notice again here, base hit to right field. First baseman again is our cutoff. He's always a cutoff from from right field and center field. And the third baseman is our cutoff from a base hit to left field. But we want all three bases occupied. And obviously the catcher's at home, pitcher's backing up. Throw to the plate, pitcher should obviously be back here when that ball goes behind the throw of the plate. If for some reason we notice that we don't have a shot there as the throw's coming in, if you think it's going to get cut off, you might be able to get an angle, but that's going to be awfully difficult for the pitcher to back up anything besides home plate. Left fielder will be backing up third base, and you got center fielder and right fielder backing up their bases respectively. So that's just cuts runners on second base or first and second in this situation, and there are base hits.